everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to deadhead your roses when the flowers are spent, and also then how to kind of make them look a bit younger and still having a lot of energy to grow. So let me just show you. So this rose, as you can see, it's got beautiful blooms. This one is about to go, and then it has two little blooms on the side. This rose is beautiful, it smells lovely. It's called Timeless Purple, Rosa Timeless Purple, and I just got it last year. I planted it in autumn, as you could see in my videos, and it flowered really nicely from May onwards, really. And now it's time to, and I've been doing this obviously as the flowers were getting tired, but it's time to deadhead it. So as you can see, I deadheaded the middle one, and now those two are gone over as well, so I'm going to deadhead. So with deadheading, you can just take it down here right above the node where the next leaf down is coming out. So here, or if you wanted to cut it a bit lower, it can also be here, so the second leaf node. But if you want the rose make a little bit younger and then probably produce a side shoot, you can take it down right above the 5 leaf node. So you see this one, for example, has 3 leaves. Then the next one is 3 leaves. So you can either take it down here, so right above the leaf node, or if you wanted to go a little bit lower, cut it right above the 5 leaf node. And that should produce a nice new shoot and make the rose stronger. Obviously don't go too low. You have to make sure you leave enough greenery and enough foliage on the rose for the photosynthesis to obviously work and produce food for the plant. So that's what you do. Let me just get my secateurs quickly and I'll show you right away. So yeah, these two are dead, as you can see. So what I will do, I'm gonna take it down in here. You see? Right there. Yeah. This one, for example, is also dead. This one is quite weaker. So what I will do, I'll take it down this right above this 5 leaf node, just to make it a little bit stronger, not so wispy. There. Oh, I really need to sharpen my secateurs. My bad. I hope you make sure yours are nice and sharp. Anyways, I'll just continue with this one, for example. This one you can see it's already been taken down here. So I'll again go down the 5 leaf node. Yeah, done. And so this is what we're left with. This one will go on and produce new shoots. Same for here. These two I will take down when their time comes, and this one has been kind of rejuvenated as well, and hopefully the plant will be growing towards this side more, but I don't mind. I just cut them for my bouquets and for vases, so I don't mind how they grow. They're working roses, as I could say. So yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video, although it was a shorter one. I will now have to go and finish deadheading this rose. If you can see, this is the Rosa iceberg and it's lovely. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it, hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet, and like the video as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye bye.